Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Class 4th subject goes EVS. Date goes 6 August 2020. Topic chapter number 14 Home and Abode. I am Altaf Ahmad Naiku, UPS Naribal Pain. Pyare bachcho, Assalamu alaikum. Today's my topic is home and abode. Today there was a lot of activities at Rabia's house. Yasser and his family were coming home after 5 years. Yasser had got a job in a country called Abu Dhabi 5 years ago. Since then, he had lived there. Arabia and her appa went to the airport to receive them. After the plane landed, the passengers had to wait for some time to collect their luggage. At least Yasser, Sahrish, and their 2 children could be seen come out. How big Jan and Yavar have grown, Appa said. Soon, many suitcases and bags were fitted into the taxi, and everyone was on the way to Rabia's house. Jan, you must be very tired after your long journey. Appa told me that Abu Dhabi is another country far from India, said Rabia. We are not right every through it is far. Our flight took only 2 hours, said Jan. He plans files very fast. प्यारे बच्चों, होम एंड अबोर्ड. होम एंड अबोर्ड घर का बाहर रहने वाला. Today there was a lot of activities. आज अजुक दह कर वारिया activities at Rabia's house. कत Rabia's गरस मज. Yasser and his family were coming home after 5 years. Yasser तो बे अम सज family आमज 5 वरी नेबर कोड़म तम आमत सोन. Yasser had got a job. अमिस job मिलियामत in a country कत country मज Abu Dhabi 5 years ago. 5 वरी ब्रो. Since then he had lived there. Yos रोजा ते तत. Rabia and her appa. Rabia ते बे अमसन appa went to the airport. गई कोत airport to receive them. अमन रटन खतर. After the plane landed, the plane land, जहाज वोत. Passengers had to wait. Passengers could wait for some time, cases calls to collect their luggage. Pan reticum. At least Yasser, Sarish, Beos Yasser to Sharish and their 2 children. The Bachimson could be seen coming out. Dry never. How big Jan and Yavar have grown, Appa said. Bird. Soon many suitcases, various suitcases and bags by bag were fitted into the taxi, and everyone was on the way. Sari drive white cone Rabia's house. Rabia's makan was Ukni white cone drive. Yuan, you must be very tired after your long journey. Yuan, when I missed the bezos, after a long journey. Appa told me when I miss Appa that Abu Dhabi is another country. Abu Dhabi should be a country far from India. India is very dur, said Rabia. We are not tried every through in the far. Buthokus Tutanki. Every through it is far. Yos varia dur. Our flight took only 2 hours. Sun jazz into Sirif Zigant, said Yan. When I miss Yan, the plan's file is very fast. Plan is paka varia fast. Thank you very much.